Hi, this is going to be a quick demo on how to use fonts, changed fonts, different type of fonts to get symbols in PowerPoint. So for example, uh, this is a typical slide which would tell you about the first slide. Uh, let's say you have your name, your mobile number, your mail ID, and now you see that there are brackets that I have used, and there is a star that I have used here to indicate that that's a phone number. How do I do that? So if I go and select, let's say, these symbols, so um, bracket open rather, and then I go to my home tab, go to font and change the font to Wing Dings. That makes it a telephone. Whereas similarly, if I go here to close bracket, round bracket, and I convert that into Wing Ding, it will also be a phone symbol. And if you just use the star the same way, Wing Dings, that becomes uh, an envelope. Thank you.